is Manpreet from Career Talks, and I'm again live to answer your all queries regarding German studies, German job, German PR, whatever you want to know that regarding how you apply in German public universities, German private universities. So I'm here to answer your all queries. Please write down your queries in the comment box so that I can answer your all queries. Fan page. Okay. Hi. What are the other benefits in studying Germany? Uh, like if you study in Germany, Germany is a PR country. Germany gives you lots of part-time job options to sponsor yourself and also give you a health insurance benefits, also give you a free education benefits. Your life is too good if you are in Germany. After getting PR, there are lots of opportunities. What you expect from the abroad countries, you get all your dreams are completely fulfilled if you choose your destination Germany. We do MBBS in English taught, sorry dear. MBBS possible only in German taught and only in public universities in Germany. What services Career Talks provide? Okay, Career Talks helps you in like visa filing applications and university applications, and also in Germany like airport pickup, accommodation booked by us, but room rent paid by you, health insurance, travel insurance, city registration, visa extension, all the services. Till you not enter the universities, you are under our KTEC in Germany. In all documentation assistance, we assist you. Hi Rohit, hello Sahil. Ma'am, language is compulsory till C1 or C2 level. Till C1 level is enough to apply in universities in German. If you you are in Germany, then give the TELC C1. Then TELC C1 is acceptable in all universities everywhere. Good evening, dear. Good evening, G. Hi, Abhay. Ma'am, my GNM experience exams are done now. Okay, you have no experience, then still you are eligible to apply in German government hospitals. So try to contact us. We guide you the whole process. That means the requirement of German language. We help you to learn German language and also help you to do the filing to apply in Germany. We assist you for the whole process. No worries. India experience is mandatory to apply in German language in German universities. Okay. If you are fresher, then still you are eligible to study in German universities. So there is no need to be worried if you have experience or you are fresher, you are eligible or not. If you are fresher, you just completed your studies like bachelor's, you are eligible to apply in German public universities and private both without experience also. If we choose private universities, then job finding is difficult or easy. There is no need to be worried if you are studying public or private. When you are planning to apply in companies, then the company demands only your skills, your knowledge, your confidence, and also German language. If you are studying private universities, English language, no problems. Try to learn German language up to B1 level, then that language will help you to crack an interview in the German company. So no need to worry you're studying public universities or private, you're studying English or German taught. All universities give you lots of options to search a job in German market. How much money will I need to study in Germany? Degree is completely free of cost, and the rest amount is like for language and for applications, only that money is required, and also a block account. You have to show around 10,000 euros in your account to show that you have enough money to sponsor yourself. Otherwise, study is completely free of cost in German public universities. Hi Sahil, okay, can I start my procedure? Yes dear, if you completed your GNM, you can start your procedure as soon as possible. You are eligible to apply. You can also help us for Aufnahme registrations. Yes, we also help you for Aufnahme registrations. If you start program with us, start your process with us, we help you to complete German language up to A1, A2 from India, and B1 is your choice. You want to do from India or from Germany. After B1, you read Germany, then do B2 and C1, and after B2, you start your applications for Aufnahme perform. And after C1, you can easily give your Aufnahme exam. No need to be worried. And also there is a need of TELC C1 exam. We assist you for all exams. Till you not enter the universities, you are our under assistance for all exams. Can I get scholarship to cover my expenses? Yes, scholarship, you can choose the option. It depends on your percentage also. It depends on profile to profile. Then yes, scholarship options are available. So just share your profile with us. We can check that you are eligible for scholarship or not. But yes, scholarships are possible. Hello dear. Okay, what if I fail in Aufnahme Prüfung? If you fail in Aufnahme Prüfung, you can choose the private student click option also, or you can wait for 6 months and try to crack another, try to prepare for again Aufnahme exam and try to give the Aufnahme exam after 6 months again if you want to study public student click program. Otherwise, you can choose the private student click option also. Okay. Can we start the procedure without experience? Yeah, of course. If you done, if you complete your GNM, you can start your procedure without experience also. We have all options. No need to be worried. If you are experienced, then we take the help of other authorities. If you are fresher, then we can take the help of other authorities. So no need to be worried. How we take appointment to visit Career Talks office? You can call us at 836-8027-663. You can search us from Google. Try to search like Career Talks German Consultancy Dwarka and take an appointment. For German taught, which is coming intake. Therefore, German taught, there is a need to learn German language up to C1 level, so it takes 8 to 9 months. So if you registered now, already countdown begins for September 2022 intake. So if you want to log in file for September 2020 intake, so take decision fast as soon as possible. Because it takes 3 months to learn A1, A2, and then again 3 months for B1, then 4 months for B2 and C1. So already countdown begins if you want to apply for September 2022 intake in German. What is the cost of living in Germany? Can I earn that much with my studies? Yeah, of course. Like your cost of living, degree is completely free of cost. And to sponsor yourself, you have a lot of part-time job options there. And roughly idea monthly expenses around 50,000 to 60,000, 500 to 600 euros per month as a single student. So, and the country itself help you to refill your pocket. No need to be worried. But try to focus to learn German language, then you get a good package during your part-time job also. If you are earning more than 400 euros monthly, then you have to pay some taxes. If your earning is around 400 euros, then no need to pay any tax on a student visa also. The all money is yours. Okay, any more queries or all done? If have anyone having queries, then please write down fast. I guess all done. Okay, then thank you. If you have any more queries, then again Monday I'm live same time. Okay, one more query. If I want to switch university after reaching Germany, then your team guide me again. Yeah, of course, why not? If you want to see, all the public universities not give us a conditional offer letter. So you can choose the conditional offer letter to complete your visa filing, but focus that that conditional letter is related to your desired course. So after reaching Germany, if you want to switch the university, there is no loss and we do the applications again without any charge. No need to be worried. Okay, then thank you guys. Thank you for queries. If you have more queries, then then you can contact us again on Monday at 5 p.m. Zoom live and 5:30 Insta live. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.